This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Yelena in Marvel Future Fight. Yelena Belova is a powerful combat-type character, and acquiring her is straightforward. We will cover the most consistent and easy methods to add her to your roster. Focus on daily activities and specific in-game shops to gather her biometrics efficiently. Let's dive into the best strategies for recruiting Yelena. The Dimension Mission is your most reliable daily source for Yelena's biometrics. Simply select her mission from the available options and complete it as many times as possible each day. Remember to utilize your Dimension Mission boost points. These significantly increase the number of biometrics and other valuable rewards you receive, speeding up her acquisition. Beyond Dimension Mission, keep an eye on the support shop, where Yelena's biometrics often appear for purchase using gold or other currencies. The Alliance Store is another excellent place to find her biometrics, requiring Alliance tokens. Additionally, always participate in any special in-game events. These frequently offer character shards or biometric selectors that can be used for Yelena. To get Yelena quickly, make her Dimension Mission a top priority every day. Consistently, save your Alliance tokens and gold for when her biometrics appear in the respective shops. Regular daily play ensures you don't miss out on any opportunities, including event rewards or daily login bonuses, which can all contribute to building up your Yelena Belova.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.